Brand performance reflects leadership. And leadership friction explains why that performance can start to weaken. Many organizations don't struggle because they lack strategy. They struggle because friction builds when decisions slow down, priorities compete, ownerships become unclear, and strategy starts to lose coherence as it moves through the organization. That slowdown and inconsistency is what I call leadership friction. Leadership friction is the resistance that builds inside leadership teams and organizations when decisions slow, priorities compete, ownership becomes unclear, and strategy begins to fragment as it moves through the system. Over time, that friction shows up in familiar ways. Execution becomes uneven. Alignment weakens. Decisions are visible but not clearly owned. Teams work hard, but momentum drops. This framework grew out of my work in brand leadership. Because brand is never only about external messaging and visual assets. Brand is leadership architecture made visible. Brand is leadership made visible. Markets often reflect leadership decisions before leaders fully see the effects themselves. The leadership friction framework helps make those hidden patterns visible. It explains how friction builds and where it starts, and why execution problems often appear later than the leadership issues that cause them. If the patterns on this page feel familiar, explore the framework, the maps, and the article series. Or start a diagnostic conversation about where friction may be building in your organization.